Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to clear cache on LG Smart TV. If your LG Smart TV is starting to lag or web pages aren't loading, clearing the cache can often fix the issue. Start by pressing the home button on your remote to open the main menu. From here, head over to the web browser, select it. Once the web browser opens, use your pointer to click on the three dots in the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Clear Browsing Data. You can either clear just the cookies, which removes saved passwords, or choose Clear All Browsing Data to delete everything, including the cache. After selecting Yes, the TV will instantly clear out unnecessary files. For an extra boost, you can also restart your TV afterward. This refreshes its memory and helps it run even smoother when you stream or browse again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.